Hello, I think this is the question you're referring to. I believe you're referring to question in section 3, number 9. If not, please let me know. You were asking about part E here. If the researcher decides to test a hypothesis at alpha equal 0.01 level of significance, will the researcher reject the null hypothesis? Well, the p-value up here is between 0.002 and 0.005. So if I picked a bigger number here, the 0.005 for the p-value, if we picked a larger number, we can see that p is less than alpha. We can see that, we can see that if we pick at that's smaller than 0.01. When p is less than alpha, that means that we're in the rejection region here, and so you want to reject a null hypothesis anytime p is less than alpha. Hope this helps.